Hey guys, I'm Sam. Very great to see you again. Now, in my front is Christina Louboutin. The stress vision, the stress with the junior snack leather vision. You can see that is junior original snack leather. So that one's authentic need $2,000. Look, the stress one, and this material also is genuine snack leather. Very special vision. Okay, let me show you the detail. You can see the tail box, the stress, very shiny. Can you see? And the sole also is gloss, very shiny. Shoes made by Junior Leather. That is the back. You can see. That is the sole, so very brightly. Only top vision, the authentic one also have the brightly sole. Okay, there's the shoes. Very good quality. And let me show you something. Look, can you see? You can see the stress can reflect, very shining. Look. Okay, that is I want to show with you the snack version with stress. If you want no other information about the other Christina Louboutin shoes, welcome to contact me by my WhatsApp. Also, these shoes have the 2 dust bag. You can see the dust bag material, so perfect. And the box, original box, you can see. The original size label, you can see the size label, very perfect. Also is one Christina Louboutin. That's the bag, shopping bag. Inside shopping bag. Okay, if you want no other information about the shoes, welcome to me or contact my Instagram, Sam's Copy. Thank you for watching. Bye.